Everybody knows that when you're on a low carb or a ketogenic style diet, that having something sweet to eat can be one of those keys to seeing success. You need a little treat to be able to give yourself something to eat. So today we're going to make a new recipe for you. Give you something sweet to eat if you're on a ketogenic style diet. It's called low carb pumpkin cheesecake bars. And each bar is going to yield about 2.5 net carbs. So it's a good treat for you to have, to be able to have something sweet to eat.